Okay, you can see here, this is my Lenovo IdeaPad and my laptop is not starting right now. Now I press power button. And as you can see, here it's showing preparing automatic repair in screen. Okay, as you can see, my laptop is not starting and it's showing automatic repair, could not repair your PC. So I will fix this problem, and in this case now I will boot this my Lenovo IdeaPad 330 laptop with Windows 10 operating system. And today I'm using this bootable USB drive. As you can see, this is my bootable USB drive. I will format this my Lenovo laptop using this bootable USB drive, and I have created this bootable USB drive using Bluetooth software and using official ISO file. And if you don't know about how to create bootable USB drive, please click the link in I button. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, now I insert this bootable USB drive in my PC. After successfully insert bootable USB drive in my laptop, now I shut down this laptop. Click here, and now my laptop is shutting down. It's finally shut down, and now I press power button in my keyboard, and while restarting my computer I press F12 button for choose boot menu. Okay, as you can see, and now I choose bootable USB drive. Here press navigational down arrow key, and as you can see, this is USB HDD. It's showing USB HDD, and after selected bootable USB drive, and now I press enter in my keyboard, and while restarting my computer, and now restarting my computer, it will load to boot from my bootable USB drive. Okay, as you can see, Windows 10 logo is appear here in my laptop screen, and it has been loaded from my bootable USB drive. Okay, as you can see here you can see this is the Windows setup screen here. Now here we need to choose a language to install, and time and currency format, and keyboard or input method, and press tab and choose next button and press enter from keyboard. And now I press tab and choose install now button and press enter. And now we need to input product key of Windows 10, but we can install without product key of Windows 10. So we need to press on tab and choose I don't have a product key options and press enter. Select the operating system you want to install, and I choose Windows 10 Home, and press tab from keyboard and choose next button and press enter. And we need to turn on check mark in I accept the license terms options, and for turn on check mark we need to press space bar in keyboard, and now press on tab button, choose next button and press enter, and choose custom install Windows only. And now we need to delete partition 1 system recovery partition, and press tab and choose delete options. and OK, and choose partition 1 and choose system type partition and delete it also, and choose MS reserve partition and we need to delete it. And now as you can see, this is the showing partition 1 and system type is primary. So now we need to delete this partition 1. It will be created and install Windows operating system in this partition. So we need to delete this partition also. After successfully delete the system reserve and primary partition, we need to create this unlocated space partition. We need to create a new partition, and now I creating new partition, and now I press enter in keyboard, and now I press tab and choose apply button and press enter and enter again. Okay, as you can see, it's not creating a partition. So now we need to delete partition 1 also, this primary partition also. As you can see, I have deleted all partition and now I create a new partition. Choose apply and OK. As you can see, now our partition is successfully created, and one is system partition that reserve 449 MB, and next one is partition 2 that reserve 465.2 GB. And now we need to format this partition to primary partition, and now I'm going to press tab button and choose format options and press enter from keyboard and choose OK options. After successfully format primary partition, now we need to choose next button and press enter. Okay, as you can see, now our Windows installing process is successfully start to copying Windows file from bootable USB drive to internal hard drive. So now we need to wait for complete copying process from here. So wait for a moment. Okay, as you can see, our computer is restarting in 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 and 1 second. And in this time, we don't press any key from keyboard to load bootable USB. So we need to wait for installing screen. Now it's loading for starting Windows setup process. Like we need to set up user profile, username password and Wi-Fi, etc. So we need to wait for start Windows setup process.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Skip. Okay, as you can see.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
Skip for now. I have ignored to
Type what you
connect.
want to name your account.
And we need to type a username here. Like this and press enter.
Okay, now type a password for your account.
I ignore a password section, so I start my PC without password, so I didn't input any password right now, so now I press enter.
Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
Yes.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select Accept when you're ready.
Now I choose accept button.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Okay, it's saying it's showing high on screen, so we need to wait for a moment to complete analyzing process to start Windows desktop. And after successfully analyze this process to showing Windows desktop process, and after showing desktop screen, we will use Windows 10 in our laptop. So for analyzing process, we need to wait, so wait for a moment. Okay, as you can see, our Windows 10 installing process has been successfully complete, and this is the Windows desktop screen. Okay, as you can see, and this is my Lenovo ideapad 330, and as you can see, this is the Windows 10 and successfully recovered this my laptop. So I hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. And if you have any confusion in this video, please leave the comment in comment section below. I will meet with another video. Till the next video. Bye bye. Namaste.